Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can restrict a specific group member in Telegram group chat from sending a video or a photo to the group chat. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our Telegram application. And after we have our Telegram application opened, we can go to our group chat. This is my group chat in Telegram and I'm going to click on it. Then we can click on the group chat's name. Okay, and for example, I'm going to restrict this group chat's member to send a video and a photo to my Telegram group chat. So we can tap and hold on the group chat's member like this. Then we will have three options and we have to select the change permissions. Okay, and here we can click on send media. Okay, and after we turn up the send media option, this member cannot send a video or photo to this group chat. And we just need to click on this check mark to save the setting. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can restrict a specific member in the Telegram group chat from sending a photo or video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.